Hello, this is an AtlasHR tutorial on viewing and or downloading your paycheck stub from the system. So there are two ways to do this. The first way is navigating there through the menu. So you can click the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner. And in the My Info section here, there's a My Pay section. You'll expand that and then expand the Pay History section. And then you'll click on Pay Statements. You click Pay Statements, this will take you to your all of your pay stubs. It'll only show you the most recent ones here, but you can click the historical button if you want to run pay statements for a specified date range. To download a pay statement, all you need to do is click the Pay Statement button here under the pay statement you'd like to download, and it'll give you the option to download the PDF version. You just click the Download PDF button here to do that, and that will download it to your device, your laptop, or your phone, or whatever you're using. So the second way to get here, so we'll jump back out to the main menu by clicking the icon up here. The second way is to have the My Pay widget on your home dashboard here. So if you don't have the My Pay widget, you can click Edit Mode here, and there's an option to add widgets. So just add the My Pay widget, and this is very simple. All you have to do is click My Pay, and it will take you to the exact same section. And that's all there is to it. So that concludes the check stub tutorial. Thanks.